Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this crispy and crunchy dry egg 65. This is super delicious, super easy to make. All that you need is few ingredients and you can put them together in no time. Before I go ahead and start the recipe, if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I have 2 videos every week. Here in a bowl I have 7 large hard-boiled eggs. I've cut them into bite-sized pieces, just the white part, and to this I've added some 5 to 7 finely chopped curry leaves and 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon pepper powder, half a teaspoon cardamom powder, and salt as needed. So now to this I'm adding half a cup of thick yogurt and 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Now here I have half a cup of rice flour. If you don't want to use rice flour, you can definitely use all-purpose flour. To this I'm also adding quarter cup of gram flour. Now I'm going to give it a nice mix, and now to this I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to just use the same cup that we used the yogurt, and I'm using quarter cup of water, little bit at a time. Maybe you want less or more depending on the consistency. You can use, this is the consistency we are looking for. We do not want it to be watery at all, because when you fry them in the oil, the egg will start spluttering around. So you just make sure the water is not too much. Now here I'm preheating my oil on medium low heat. We want to cook them slowly and nicely. And to this I'm adding the egg into small dumplings, and then you just fry them until it turns nice and golden brown. If you think anytime your egg is spluttering around, then you definitely have a watery batter, so just adjust them accordingly. Now go ahead and do the second batch of the egg that you have, and then fry them until it's nice and crispy, and you can remove this and put in the paper towel. Here I have 2 tablespoons of oil in the kadai. To this I've added 5 garlic cloves that I've thinly sliced. To this I've added curry leaves, that is around 10, and also 5 dry red chili. You can add green chili as well. Here I have a red hot sauce. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of it. It's optional, but I like spicy. The reason we don't want to have this too watery, because you want the egg 65 to be crispy still, to hold that texture. Now I'm going to add the egg that we fried earlier and 1 teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Just give it a quick mix. As it heats through nicely, you can see it's nice and crispy, still holds the shape and the crispiness and crunchiness. Transfer into a serving bowl. Super easy. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like it, please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.